Hello, English 9 students. Today we are looking at the outline and putting that together. So I'll go through this PowerPoint and show you. There's a few videos you need to watch that explain it a little bit, and then you'll have a form that is also attached to this email that you'll need to fill out, and it is due tomorrow. All right, be sure to have open the outline form. I sent it to you in email. It's called Guided Speech Outline, and it has it all kind of laid out what you need to fill in. If you have extra steps, more than what I show you, you need to add more steps. So be sure to note that, okay? Just because it ends at 5 doesn't mean you have to end at 5 if you haven't explained everything, okay? All right, be sure. All right, first of all, the introduction. So this is where you're going to introduce what you're going to be talking about. Please watch the short video that's attached. The link is in there. You need to use this part to get your audience's attention. So you will want to say something exciting, give them a fact, tell them the best way that they'll use this. I mean, anything that is exciting to grab their attention so they want to keep listening to you. An example might be you will want to listen to me because, and then tell them that. This will be useful to you because fill in the blank. Okay? All right, first of all, the introduction. All right, the first thing is stating your topic. Today I will be showing you how to cook something, how to cook salsa, how to cook whatever it is you are going to be showing them. Today I will be showing you the best way to groom your dog. Today I will be showing you how to build something. Okay? The next slide is your list. Here are the materials you will need. List them off and put them up so that people can see you. Or if you're videoing yourself, have them out on your counter and pick them up as you go through your list. Show people what it is that you need to do this with. If it's materials, if it's tools, um, if you're doing cooking and they need a knife or scissors or a particular piece of equipment for cooking, show that to your audience. Now we get into the steps. Please watch the short video that's attached and talk about your first step. So let's say we're making salsa. For the first step, you need to chop up your jalapenos. Next step, chop up your tomatoes. Next step, and so forth and so on. So talk about each step. If there's something specific about that step, make sure you put that. If they need to cut it a certain length, a certain size, use a certain tool, this is what goes into your steps, okay? When you're putting your steps together, use your transition words. You'll see them in each slide. First, I will show you this. Next, I will show you this. Now, I will show you this. See how it transitions? And when you get to the fifth one, lastly, I will show you this. Or the first step is this. The second step is this. Okay? So make sure you vary your words so you're not always going step one. Step two, use different words to tell that you're going on to the next step. Now we get right, the last step that you get in there. Finally, I will show you, or finally, you do this. There is a short video on this one that has you reviewing your steps. This is our editing time. Go back through your steps. Make sure you didn't leave anything out. Make sure they're in order. If somebody were to get these steps and do the process you're explaining, would they get the same result every time? Did you miss something? Did you spell everything correctly? Did you write everything correctly? Do your sentences make sense? Okay, go back and edit your slides or edit your outline. Let's get it as close to being correct as possible. Last slide, the closing. Again, there's a short video on here that talks about your closing. Sum up what it is you've talked about. Today, I showed you how to make salsa. The most important step is how many jalapenos you add in. If you want it really spicy, you'll put in a bunch. If you don't want very much spice, make sure you don't put in a lot of jalapenos. So say something important, a step that is really important. Here's the final product. Show them an example of your product. I hope you enjoyed what we did today and you can use this when you make it. And then thank your audience. Thank you for watching me. Okay?